Jay's Fantastic Family, how y'all doing today? It is Friday, and your girl got a fashion show for y'all. She do, she do, she do. But first of all, I want to say thank you to all my new subscribers. Welcome aboard to the Jay's Fantastic Family. I am glad that you are here, and I hope you stay. All right, and then to my OGs, keep making it do what it do. I'm going to share with you today a dress from one of my new look patterns for 99 cents. This is my first time making this dress. I thought it was going to take me like an hour or two, but it took me a little time because life be life and things be happening, stuff be going on. But I did finish it in a day. Okay, so not even a whole day, but just, a couple of hours, maybe four. Yeah. But anyway, when you see it, let me know if you like it in the comments. If you have any suggestions, they're always welcome. But thank you for coming back again and again and again. I appreciate you guys. Let's keep growing over here, y'all. Let's see what we can do. Let's see how soon we can get to 1,000 subscribers. That's everybody's goal, right, on YouTube. So y'all can help me do that too. Okay. And I can't do it without y'all. So let's get into this video. And we're going to see the sewing that I did for today. And I did it today on Friday, this morning. It is 5:13 about now. So I started on this project this morning about 11, maybe noon, So, but anyway, it didn't take me 5 hours, but it was stuff going on in between. You'll see my supervisor. He keeps an eye on me to make sure that I'm doing what I need to do. But anyway, we're going to roll over into this video, and you will also see my upcycle for the month of April. So you'll see a sew and an upcycle for the month of April at the end of the video. So stay to the end, or otherwise you're going to miss it. Okay, you don't want to miss it. You don't want to miss it. It's so new. Okay, let's go. So my next process is to iron out the seam so it lays flat. And then I'm going to put on the two front pieces next. Okay. Y'all see the razor? Y'all see it? So, now that we got that done, we're going to put on the two front pieces, but this is the back. I'm just going to hold it up to me so you guys can kind of see where the razor back is going to fall. And no, I ain't got no bra on today, so y'all ladies forgive me. I'm going to go put one on. So I don't want to offend nobody. But okay, we got the whole back seam in. Whole back. What is that? And, okay, I might have to go over that little piece. I don't know. I think that's where I heard it skip at. So we'll see what's going on with that. But as you can see, the dress is a little see-through, so I'm going to have to wear something under it. And also, my thing was to line up as close as I could get it in the back. So I think I did pretty good with lining it up. Yeah, so I think I did pretty good, y'all. Just so y'all can see. It's a little off, just a little bit. Some spaces it's not, some it is. But that's, I don't know if nobody gonna be looking that close, so we'll see if they are. Okay, so this is what she looks like so far. Got to get those sides in there. Okay. Like I said, she's pretty long. But once I get everything in there real good, I shouldn't have a problem. Let's see if I can, yeah. I know my head cut off, y'all, but that's where she's falling at on the shoulders. So We did okay so far. We did okay. We did okay. Now we have to sew the side seams, and there is a split on the side. And then we're going to put in the arms, and then we're going to put in the neck. Okay? All right. We getting there, y'all. We getting there.